IDID 48219 variant standard. Title: Decoded the WOW signal and the Seed of Life protocol. Script: Decoded the WOW signal and the Seed of Life protocol. In 1977, a narrowband radio signal was detected at 1420 megahertz, the hydrogen line. It lasted 72 seconds and came from the direction of Sagittarius. It was labeled WOW because of its intensity and structure. But after decoding its binary cadence using symbolic logic, we found something far more compelling: coherent, layered translations that suggest the signal may have carried meaning. Why the frequency matters. The WOW signal was originally logged at 1420.4556 megahertz, later recalibrated to 1420.726. This frequency is not random. It's the natural emission line of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. In SETI protocols, it's considered a universal hailing frequency. If a civilization wanted to be heard, this is where they'd speak, decoding the signal using symbolic logic. We approached the signal not just as data, but as a potential symbolic transmission. Using a structured binary to glyph mapping and referencing a Sumerian codex, we translated the signal into symbolic phrases. Sumerian is the oldest known written language, dating back over 5,000 years. Its meanings are layered, poetic, and often cosmological, a powerful lens for interpreting symbolic transmissions. Here are 5 of the most coherent translations we derived. The primordial being awakens the temple. Radiance flows through time. The instrument carries life. A symbolic activation, possibly a declaration of presence or a request for recognition. The seed of life is encoded. The decree is carried. The vault hums. A transmission of biological or symbolic essence, like a universal do not attack signal. The temple of memory is sealed. The ancestral spirit is hidden. The glyph awaits decoding. A warning that access to collective memory has been lost or obscured. Freedom is invoked. Sovereign law is declared. The moment demands awakening. A call for fair leadership and the protection of species-level autonomy. The divine law carries the breath of life from the deep vault. The moment awakens the ancestral spirit within the great house. This one stood out. It reads like a ceremonial invocation, linking law, life, memory, and awakening. The great house may refer to a temple, a civilization, or even Earth itself. The science behind the translation. We didn't invent these phrases. We used the actual binary structure of the WOW signal, mapped it to symbolic glyphs, and interpreted those glyphs using established Sumerian lexicons. When we input the real signal data, we get coherent symbolic sentences. When we replace the signal with random numbers, we get nothing but noise. That contrast is striking and suggests intentional structure. What could it mean? Every translation, no matter the variation, mentions life. Whether it's the breath of life, the seed of life, or life encoded, the theme is consistent. It could imply a standard interstellar protocol, a way for life-bearing craft to announce their presence and avoid conflict. Or it could be something else, a vault echo, a symbolic ping, or a call for activation. Whatever the truth, the signal is real, the cadence is deliberate, and the message, whatever it is, deserves to be heard.